Kia ora whānau, and in this video we're learning about the location or asking questions about the location of objects. So we'll look at the questions and answers associated with location, beginning with the question particles here and why. So ke here, te puka puka, is where is the object. Ke here are Mr. Chittenden is where is Mr. Chittenden. Ke why te puka puka. Who has the book or object? You can use any noun from the list of classroom objects to fill out these questions. So let's have a look at the answers that we can give to those questions. So if the question is, ke hia te puka puka, where is the book? Ke konei te puka puka, the book is here if it is by you. If they ask where the book is, ke hia te puka puka, ke kona te puka puka. The object is there, away from you somewhere. Once again, if it's even further away on the other side of the room, ke kora te puka puka. The book is way over there. Or if a person has it, ke Mr. Chittenden te puka puka. Mr. Chittenden has the book. Once again, you can sub in the objects and names. Here are some classroom objects, and if you would like to transfer this language into your home or when we're in the staff room, here are some kitchen objects for you to learn some nouns, and you can put them in as if and when you need to, entirely up to you. Marama, ka pai.